Like, they can afford to create blogs.
Remember that before you change. And you can change it. If you guys go live, you can change it at any time, as long as you're still the owner.
But the thing is, TV stations love telling brands that they can go direct to them. No one's there to beat their price over $1. I just watch this thing. But, you know, it's like, you don't have a day off. I meet with different organizations and startups and different people, and they want to get into this whole digital marketing game. Hey, I need to be on social media, I need to post this so many times, all this stuff, and they talk a lot about it and they do so much planning, and what happens is there's no execution. When it comes to having a digital first mentality, it's all about just doing it. I am all about planning and strategizing. Actually, that's what we do here at J29. We partner with our organizations and we help them plan and strategize. But the saddest thing I see is oftentimes organizations, business owners do a lot of planning and the lack of execution. If you aren't doing it and you're just doing all this planning, then it's all wasted effort and wasted time. Just like an athlete, you know, you can talk about all these things and you can talk about winning, but if you don't put it to practice and actually go play the game, you're not gonna get better, you're not gonna improve. So what I highly challenge organizations is to have high execution and worry about all the other things later. Because until you start doing it, there's nothing to measure. Companies need to start with documenting. That means you can start documenting the culture of your company, you can start documenting the wins and your losses, and it's showcasing and highlighting who you are. A winning digital strategy takes authenticity. It's being able to show off the value that you can bring to your industry. If you want to get into this digital first mentality, pick up a social channel and start doing it.